Namaskar and good morning. Today we will look at another reasonably progressive company called IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. See, as the name indicates, this company is dealing in chemicals and pharmaceuticals. The board of directors includes Dr. M.A. Zahir, who is the chairman of the company, Mr. Varinder Gupta, managing director, Mr. Vijay Garg, joint managing director. Now, before going further, we will take a look at Q3 results in summary. The net sales are 478 crores. 478 crores compared to previous quarter of 423 crores. Previous quarter 423, current quarter 478. Now, year ago quarter, that is Q3 of last year was 263 crores. I'll repeat once more. Net sales are 478 current quarter, 423 previous quarter, 263 year ago quarter, which means year on year there is an improvement of 82% in sales, and quarter on quarter also there is an improvement of 13%. Year on year sales improvement is 82% and quarter on quarter it is 13%. Now other factors are normal. We'll go to net profits. The profits have gone on increasing at every stage. Now, net profits are 82 crores in the current quarter compared to 38 crores in the previous quarter, that is Q2 quarter, and 8.8 crores only in December 17, that is Q3 of last year. 82 crores now, 38 crores previous quarter, 8.8 crores year ago quarter, which means there is a huge jump in net profit of 834.55%. 834.55% in net profit increase year on year. Quarter on quarter also huge jump, 114%. So, net sales have increased 82% year on year and net profits have increased 834% year on year. Both are very tremendous increase. Equity stands at 56.21 crores. Basic EPS 14.63. Previous quarter is 6.84 and year ago quarter is 1.56. So, there also huge jump. Now, market price currently is 184. 52-week low is 74 and 52-week high is 225. Price earning is very low at 3.14, which means there is sufficient scope for improvement. Face value is 10, volume is 1,44,000, which shows that the liquidity is quite good. You can buy and sell easily. So, net profits have increased well, net sales have increased well, and market price is somewhere in the middle of 52-week low and high. The price earning ratio is very low, indicating scope for improvement in price. Face value is 10 rupees, volumes are good. So, volume of transactions is very good. Therefore, buying and selling is also quite easy. So, IOL Chemicals presents a reasonably good picture in the latest quarter. Now, we'll go to the previous year, that is 2017-18, latest year actually. IOL has achieved a total revenue of 1,002 crores. For the first time, it has gone above 1,000 crores. 1,003 crores, let us say. During the year of 2017-18, compared to 774 crores in the previous year, registering an increase of 29.49% in sales. Now, profit after tax has gone up to 27.7 crores from hardly 4.67 crores. So, here also a huge jump. You see, in the quarterly results also there was a huge jump in the profit after tax and sales. Now, in the annual results also there is a huge jump in sales and profits. Profits have jumped from 4.67 crores to 27.7 crores. The EBITDA during the financial year ended 31st March 2018 went up to 126 crores from 103.45 crores. So, the company continues to give more focus to increase the pharma share of the total business. It has got two segments. As I said, the chemical segment is there, pharma segment is there. Wants to increase the pharma segment. Last year the pharma segment was 56%, latest year 63%. From 56 to 63 they have increased. They want to increase further also. So, financial performance during the last 2 years indicates a huge progress in the latest year. Likewise, in the last 5 quarters indicates a huge jump in the latest quarter. Now, dividend, they have not declared any dividend because the profits are still very low. Share capital is 56 crores 20 lakhs 55,000 shares, each of 10 rupees. Now, let us look at the expansion schemes. During the year of 2017-18, IOL has set up a Unit 3 to manufacture fenofibrate, clopidogrel and lamotrigine at a project cost of some 16.48 crores, but completely through internal accruals. So that was Unit 3 for manufacturing fenofibrate, clopidogrel, etc. Now, those things should get sold now. The company also set up Unit 4 for manufacturing metformin. Metformin is the famous latest anti-diabetic drug. Now, the capacity is 3,000 metric tons per annum with a project cost of 10 crores to be financed through internal accruals. The company has also enhanced installed capacity of ibuprofen from 7,200 tons to 10,000 tons per annum by debottlenecking and re-engineering the plant in the month of August 2018. So, all this indicates to us that the research and development wing of IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals is reasonably good. So, the R&D is developing processes for APIs and intermediates with substantial backward integration to minimize its dependency on external forces and to be a leader in a highly competitive world of generic APIs. See, APIs is a very lucrative field for many of our Indian companies. We are exporting to many countries, and of course we need within India also. Now here R&D is focusing on developing APIs and intermediates. Now the company presently has got 5 APIs and 3 intermediates in its pipeline. Manufacturing APIs and intermediates. Currently 5 APIs and 3 intermediates are there which are in the pipeline, and company is targeting 4 to 5 APIs in each year. The company is employing at least 50 scientists. The R&D team works on developing new molecules, that is either APIs or intermediates or bulk chemicals or special chemicals or CRAMS. So whatever. So new molecules development is the focus for the R&D. Now, but environmental hazards that they are keeping in mind always. it is working on chemical routes whereby it will have minimum dependency on Chinese market for its raw materials. Currently some dependency is there, it seems. Now they want to reduce that dependency and minimize that dependency on Chinese imports. So work on developing of APIs is progressing well, and whenever it is developed, it is being filed with the US FDA and got approved. So cost cutting, troubleshooting, these are generally happening. Likewise, conversion of byproducts to value added products. So whenever a product is developed, the next idea is to add value to it, value added products. Now in all these things, they are using only internal funds, internal accruals. They are not going for much debt. Actually, debt has come down from 307 crores last year to 290 crores in the current year. So some repayment also is there. Now IOL operations, if you look at them, they basically comprise, as we said, APIs, intermediates, etc., and bulk drugs and some specialty industrial chemicals. In the API segment, ibuprofen also is included. Now, specialty industrial chemicals includes manufacturing of ethyl acetate, isobutyl benzene, monochloroacetic acid, acetyl chloride. Now, bulk drugs are commonly known as active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs. So, bulk drugs, you can call it as APIs. APIs are mixed with other components to produce tablets, capsules, liquids, etc. So APIs are being manufactured more. The company is trying to include APIs more in its product portfolio because they are cost competitive. Efficient manufacturing plus good R&D is there. The APIs of this company are being exported worldwide to Europe, Latin America, Africa, Middle East. Many of these are getting approved through the US FDA. And the ibuprofen manufacturing facility also is approved in 2015 by US FDA. So it is taking lot of approvals from US FDA, European Union GMP, WHO GMP, CEP certification, etc. Now, if you look at specialty industrial chemicals, there it is manufacturing solvents like ethyl acetate, chlorinated compounds like monochloroacetic acid, isopropyl chloroacetate, acetyl chloride, etc., and petrochemicals, isobutyl benzene, meta-isobutyl toluene, etc. That is solvents, chlorinated compounds, petrochemicals. So, three different types of specialty industrial chemicals are being produced. So, I can give you a lot of other details also, but it's not necessary. The latest results are excellent. It's manufacturing chemicals and pharmaceuticals, but now it says it wants to focus more on pharmaceuticals where probably the margins are higher. So it wants to have 4 to 5 APIs every year, which is a very ambitious program. So IOL chemicals and pharmaceuticals is on a very good growth path. Looks like that. So the latest results are good, and the last year results are also good. Hopefully the next quarter results also may be good, which is worth watching. So IOL chemical should be on your radar. Just watch and study these things 2 or 3 times and then take your decision. I will be coming up before you with another reasonably good company. Thank you.